Well, shall we take a drink, shall we? It's been hot in the 90s, record-breaking. We're in global warming, and Illuminati pandemics, whatever. I thought Thomas would like to come and take a little bit of a drink. Now that big boy sure towers that cement bird bath. Yesterday he decided to take a bath in that sucker. And my, was that ever a show. Well, anyway, this is the Great Grandmaster Steve with Thomas, Aquaintance, and I'm glad we could be of your acquaintance at the Great Grandmaster facility, retreat areas, and such. Thank you very much. Till next time.